Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 06 Honda Element, we're going to be installing a rear differential dynamic damper. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So here is the damper that we're going to be taking out. The rubber bushing's completely gone. It's just bouncing around. You can see that. So it's mounted on the back of the diff. It's for basically when you're on the highway or at high RPMs, when this differential's spinning, it picks up any vibration so you don't feel it in the vehicle when you go down the road. So the mounting bolt is right over here. It's one bolt. Looks like a 14mm socket. And I'm going to use my 1/2 inch, see if I can at least break it free. Doing that because of all the rust on the tip. Looks like it's still the original damper. I've already sprayed it, but I'm just going to keep spraying it. There we go. Don't think you need to take the bolt all the way out. You can if you want to, examine the threads. And then this damper will come right out this way. There we go. That's making some noise. Here we have our new differential dynamic damper from 1A Auto. Comes with the welded mounting nut. The rubber sealed on both ends. It has the bracket. Here's the factory one that we just took off. It's completely broken. They look identical. They have the same holding marks. Pin on this one broke off. There's the guide pin. And there's the balance shaft. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below. Head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm just going to put a little anti-seize, thread anti-seize. So I'm going to bring this back and guide up and see the tab right here that's going to go in the mounting. There's a slot on the side of that bracket. So bring it up, guide that in, bring your bolt through the other side. Grab your 14mm socket. I just held it, made sure you hold it tight so that that guide pin stays in that slot. Just tighten it down. Now with the new damper installed, you can see that the bushing's not broken. There'll be no more rattle or vibration.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.